Deck the halls. Here at the Edison, one of the things we try to do with every handcrafted cocktail is not just create a fun drink, but more than that, create an entire experience in a glass. If we can capture an idea, a thought, a memory, a story, and put it into any kind of cup or glass for you, then we've succeeded at our job. This drink is an attempt to capture everything that makes Christmas in New England special. So, we're going to start with a little bit of Angostura Bitters to bring in some nutmeg, cloves, spices, things that are prevalent in cooking around Christmas time. Next, I'm going to add just a little bit of ginger beer to capture that gingerbread feel. I'm going to add cranberry. It's during the season. They put cranberries in darn near everything, especially fruitcake. And now we're going to go to an unexpected ingredient. We're going to use pineapple, but we're only going to use about a bar spoonful of the pineapple juice. We want that little bit of acidity. If we don't have it, you won't taste any of the cranberry whatsoever. Then we're going to reach for a few sprigs of rosemary. Now, this is a very resinous herb. Even though it's savory, the resin inside is going to release a bunch of oils that will actually come across almost like pine needles. To bring out that taste of pine, last but not least, we're going to grab Tanqueray 10 gin. Now this gin is a bit more juniper forward, so you're going to get that pine taste nice and full. And for anyone who thinks that that's too forward on the palate, this is going to work really well with those other ingredients. So now we'll add our gin. Now for this one, we're going to shake it pretty hard, but we're not going to shake it too long. We want to make sure that we don't over dilute anything. Now when we pour it, we should get a nice warm reddish color. Perfect. And to bring out that pine scent just a little bit more, we're going to express some rosemary. Now you can't express this the way you can citrus, so what we're going to do is we're going to hit it against the back of the hand, and it's just going to break the cellulose wall inside the needles and the wood just enough that it lets that scent of pine out nice and full. That's Deck the Halls.